how to take screenshot of allow replay Instagram photo or video. So if you want to take a screenshot of allow replay Instagram photo or video, then what you need to do is you need to just open up your Instagram and you need to go with the messages where you've received the allow replay photo or video. Go with the chat where you've received it. Now, if you try the screenshot, then you won't be able to take the screenshot, right? So in order to go with the screenshot option, you just need simply go with your control center. From your control center, you will have a screen recorder. You need to go and turn on your screen recorder, start recording your screen, and then open up the allow replay Instagram photo or video. It will be captured in your screen recording, and once you open that photo or video, you need to go and turn off your screen recording and go with your images or files. Wherever your screen recording is saved, you need to open up that screen recording and just pause it and take a screenshot. But keep in mind that this process might not work in some devices, but if it works, then you can try it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.